Hi guys, it's just a very short video to share my experience with Aqueous Water Systems. So basically I moved here about 2 years ago, and the taste in the water, it was a bit different, it was a bit off, I didn't like it. So I was just looking around to see any water systems, and I looked around so many companies, and I decided to go for Aqueous Water Systems because they had the best reviews. I just gave them a call. I gave a few companies a call, but the best ones were Aqueous Water Systems. They were absolutely amazing on the phone. They gave me a quote straight away. They explained absolutely everything in detail, which was incredible. They came, they fitted in the system, and for me the best thing has been the water. I drink a lot of water, and the change has been absolutely amazing. Also with cleaning, doing a washing, all the sheets, the linen, it's been absolutely spotless. With the dishwasher, we don't get any spots, so I would definitely highly recommend them. The customer service is incredible. Just give them a call and you'll get a quote straight away.